Hi, this video is for those of you who could not join class this morning because of our jigsaw issues. I'm so sorry that we faced these difficulties, but I appreciate the respect for learning that you're showing in continuing to work through your assignment despite these problems. So just to make sure we're all on the same page, what you should complete today is the writing assignment, our character analysis about how Odysseus is an epic hero. So you can access that writing assignment in our modules. Okay. So we come to today's daily page. Today is Wednesday, September 1st. So we scroll down a bit in Instructional Cycle 1, and here it is. Now you will notice I changed the due date until tomorrow because of the technical difficulties we're having. So guys, just do your best, and if you have questions about the assignment, I'll be glad to answer those in class tomorrow, okay? But here is the assignment. So you are using the race writing strategy to write one well-developed paragraph that answers this question: what qualifies Odysseus as an epic hero? So I want you to use your knowledge of epic heroes and the text to support your answer. Okay, and right here on the assignment, I have put links to each of the chapters that we read in class. Now, you do not need to use all of those, okay? But they are there for you. Use whichever ones you would like to pull evidence from. As you're writing, please be sure that you cite your evidence using an in-text citation. Please also make sure that you explain your answer fully. Remember, you're probably going to need to use several sentences to explain your evidence. And be careful not to quote too much of the poem at once. 1 to 2 lines is the ideal length to quote at one time, because if we keep our quotes short, we can make sure that we're fully explaining those quotes. So how long should your total writing be? One well-developed paragraph of about 6 to 8 sentences, okay? Maybe a little more, but not too much. All right, so again, this assignment is due tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. If you have any questions, of course, reach out to me and I'll be glad to help.